Hello students, let's do exercise 9D of the chapter ratio and proportion. So the first question is 8 ball point pens cost rupees 64. What is the cost of one pen? So we have to find the cost of one pen. It's a very simple question. That means you have to find the cost of one pen, and to find that one you have to divide the cost of 8 ballpoint by the number of ballpoints. So the number of ballpoints are 8 and the cost of 8 ballpoint is 64. If you divide 64 by 8, your answer will come out. So I have done here. Let us see this one. So what you'll do, first you'll write cost of 8 ballpoint pens rupees 64. Then you take out the cost of one ballpoint pen is rupees 64 divided by the number of ballpoint pens. The answer will come out as 8. So this is how you will do your question number 1. Now let us check question number 3. The question number 3, in 25 minutes a train travels 20 kilometers. So in 25 minutes a train travels 20 kilometers. How far will it travels in 5 minutes? So in this case also they have given us 25. They have given us that in 25 minutes a train is covering 20 kilometer. So how far it will cover the distance if it travels for only 5 minutes. So what we will do, we will divide the distance by the minutes. Okay, we will divide the distance by the minutes, and whatever answer comes, that we will multiply it by 5. This is how we will get the answer for question number 3. I have done it. Let us see the answer. I have written distance travelled by a train in 25 minutes. So distance travelled by a train in 25 minutes is 20 kilometer. So distance it will travel in 1 minute will be how much? 20 divided by 25. This 20 divided by 25 can be written in the fractional form, that is 20 by 25. If you reduce it, it will be 4 by 5. Okay, already how to reduce I have taught you. So 4 by 5 kilometer it will travel in 1 minute. Now we have to find out in 5 minutes. So what we will do, we'll write distance it will travel in 5 minutes. It will be how much? 4 by 5 multiplied by 5. So you see 5 and 5 can be reduced. They can be reduced. So 5 1 5 and 5 1 5. So what is left is 4 kilometer. This is how we'll get the answer for question 3. Now let us see another question. Another question is question number 5. 12 rubber balls cost rupees 15. The cost of 12 rubber ball is 15. So how many can I buy for rupees 20? So here what will you do? You have to find out in 1 rupees. That means in 1 rupees how many balls you can buy. That one you have to find out. First you'll find out that one, then you'll multiply it by number of you'll multiply by rupees 20. So let us see how to do this one. This one I'll show you. See, so I have written cost of 12 rubber balls. So cost of 12 rubber ball is rupees 15. Then after writing that, number of balls in 1 rupees. That means in 1 rupees how many balls you can buy. That is 12 divided by 15. Then number of balls that I can buy for rupees 20 will be how much? 12 by 15 into 20. So 12 by 15, if you reduce 15 and 20, you can reduce it by same table, that is 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So 4 and 12 is left, up and down we have 3. Again when you will write 12 into 4 and by 3, then you can see 12 can be easily reduced by 3, because 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. So what is left? 4 into 4. If you multiply 4 into 4, you will get 16 balls. Let us see another question. So another question we have is question number 7. A boy can run 49 meters in 6.3 seconds. So how much second is taking to cover 49 meters distance? 6.3 seconds. How far can he run in 4.5 seconds? That means in this question also you have to find out in 1 second how much distance he can cover. In 1 second how much distance he can cover. You have to find out that one, and that you will multiply with 4.5 seconds. So let us see the solution. So in the solution, you see I have written in 6.3 seconds. In 6.3 seconds, a boy run 49 meters. In 1 second, he can run 49 divided by 6.3. Okay, meters. Then you write down. Now, therefore, in 4.5 seconds, he can run. He can run how much? He can run 49 divided by 6.3 into 4.5. Now, see, it will be a little bit difficult to divide decimal by decimal. So what we will do, we'll change decimal into whole numbers. So since a decimal point is just before a number, therefore we will multiply it by 10, because the decimal point is just before a number. Okay, just before a number, therefore we will multiply it by 10. If you multiply it by 10, it will become a whole number 63. Now since you are multiplying 10 at denominator, that 10 you have to multiply at numerator as well. Now you'll get 490 by 63 into 45 by 10. Why? Because 4.5 is also in decimal. We have to change it into whole number. So when you want to move this point out, then you have to give 10 down, because one point is only one number is there after the point, therefore we are writing 10. If there were two numbers like this, if it were like 4.52, then we would have divided it by 100, because two numbers are there, two digits are there before point. So now 490 by 63 into 45 by 10. Now this 0 will be cancelled by the 0 of the 10. What is left? 49 by 63 into 45 by 1. So what further we will do here, we'll try to reduce 45 and 63 can be reduced by the table of 9, because 9 7s are 63 and 9 5s are 45. Okay, if you don't know the tables, it will be difficult for you to reduce numbers. Therefore I will suggest you all to learn at least till 20. The tables you should learn till 20 in order to do this maths fast. So 9 7s are 63 and 9 5s are 45. What is left is 49 by 7 and 5. Now 49 by 7 can also be reduced, because 7 1s are 7 and 7 7s are 49. What is left? 7 into 5 is left. 7 5s are 35 meters will be your answer. Now let us see another question. Question number 9. It is a multiple choice question. The 3 rolls of cello tape cost rupees 48. The cost of 3 rolls of cello tape is how much? Rupees 48. At the same rate, the cost of 12 rolls of cello tape is how much? So you have to find out the cost of 12 rolls. What will you do? You will try to find the cost of 1 cello tape. Then you will multiply by 12. So let us see this solution as well. This solution also will check. So question number 9. See the question number 9. In the question number 9, 3 rolls of tape cost is rupees 48. Cost of 1 roll is 48 by 3. Now cost of 12 rolls will be 48 by 3 into 12. Now try to reduce 3 and 12. 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. Now 48 into 4 you will get 192 rupees. So 192 rupees will be the cost of 12 rolls. Again let us check another question. Question number 12. We'll see. So in the question number 12, we are asked 15 postcards. 15 postcards cost rupees 11.25. So the cost of 15 postcard is 11.25. Then the cost of 1 postcard will be how much? It's very easy. 11.25 divided by 15. That will give you the cost of 1 postcard. Now you see the Roman number 1, it is asking what is the cost of 36 postcard. So you see I have written here You have to find the cost of one postcard, and this you multiply with 36, then it will give you how much? It will give you the cost of 36 postcards. Okay, so let us see the solution. So in the solution, you will have to write cost of 15 postcards is rupees 11.25. Then cost of one postcard will be 11.25 by 15. Now this is in decimal and change it into a whole number. Very simple. You multiply 11.25 by 100 and also multiply 15 by 100. Your answer will be 1125 by 1500. Now we'll try to find the cost of 36 postcards. So you multiply 1125 divided 1500 into 36. Start reducing. Okay, start reducing. So what you will do, try to reduce 1500 and 36. So by 6 table, 6 6 are 36. Okay, 6 6 are 36. And then if you divide 1500 by 6, then you will get 250. Now try to reduce again these two numbers, that means 6 and 250. So we can reduce it by 2, because 2 3 are 6 and 2 125s will give you 225. If you divide 250 by 2, so this is 2 1 are 2 and down 5, 2 2 are 4, again 1, then 0 comes down, then 2 5s are 10. Okay, so you got 125. Okay, so 125 already I have written here, you can see. Now again we'll write 1125 by 125 into 3. Now try to divide or reduce 1125 by 125. So using 5 table, if you try to reduce 1125, you will get 225, and if you reduce 125, you will get 25. Okay, so the new number that you will obtain will be 225 by 25 after reducing into 3. Now if you divide 225 directly by 25, you will get 9. Okay, 9. That 9 I have written here. So 25 1 is 25, and 25 into 9 will give you 225. So now what is left is 9 into 3. 9 into 3 will give you 27. Okay, so now let us check Roman number 2. In the Roman number 2, they asked us for rupees 225 how many postcards you can buy. First of all, we have to take out in 1 rupees how many postcard we can buy. So for 11.25 we can buy 15 postcards. So for 1 rupees we can buy 15 by 11.25 postcards. So therefore for rupees 225 you can buy 15 by 11.25 into 225. Now reduce them. So reduce, or either you can divide directly. So how will divide? I will divide 11 to 5, that means 1125 by 225. If you divide, so after division you will get 5 as your answer, 225. If you divide 1125 by 225, your answer will be 5. So that's 1500. New number that you will obtain will be 1500 divided by 5. Now 5 ones are 5 and 5 threes are 15. Whatever zeros are left, you will have to give up. So your final answer will come out will be 300 postcards. So this is all for this exercise. We'll try to do our new chapters in the next video. Thank you.